This week we're going to learn our 9 times tables. The first thing I'm going to do is write out the multiples for the 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Now let's look at the bar model. So we've got 2 9s there, which is 2 times 9. I'm going to use my multiples for 9 to work out what 2 times 9 is. So 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. Here I have 5 9s. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s is 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, and 5 9s are 45. So 5 times 9 equals 45. Today we're going to be focusing on kilo. Kilo equals 1,000. Now you will have heard kilo in a kilogram. So 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. So here I have my 1 gram. So it's like having 1,000 of those 1 grams. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. You will also have seen a kilo in kilometre. So this is not to scale, but let's say here we have 1 kilometre and here we have 1 metre. So 1 kilometre is like saying 1,000 of the 1 metres. So 1 kilometre is equal to 1,000 metres. Here I have 2.2 kilograms. I want to write 2.2 kilograms as grams. Okay, so I can see here that to go from kilograms to grams, I multiply by 1,000 because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Now you can do this mentally, or if you're not sure, you can use the place value grid. Okay, so label the columns. Now, because I'm multiplying by 1,000, the value of each digit will be 1,000 times more. So I'm going to move each digit to the left 3 times. So you can see here my 2 is now in the thousands column. And then I'm just going to look at the digit right next to it. So the other 2 will be in the hundreds column. Now I can't leave the 10s and the 1s blank, so you put 0 as a placeholder. So your answer is 2,200 grams. Let's have a look at 0.3 kilometers. I want to write this as meters. Again, we multiply this by 1,000. You can do this mentally, or you can do this using the place of value grid to check. Label the columns, and write the 0.3 in. Again, because I'm multiplying, I move the digits to the left 3 times. Okay, so the 3, which was a tenth, is now in the hundreds column. Now there aren't any other digits after the 3. Okay, so you must put 0 as a placeholder in the tens and the ones column to give you 300 meters. I'm going to now convert the other way around, so from grams to kilograms. Okay, so if I go from grams to kilograms, I divide by 1,000. So 4,300 divided by 1,000. You can do this mentally, or you can use the place value grid. So label the columns and then write the number in. Now, because we are dividing, the value of each digit will decrease by 1,000. So we are going to move the digits to the right 3 times. Okay, so let's start off with our ones digit, which is 0. That's now 1,000th, so the 1,000th is 0. The hundredth column will have 0 digits, and the 10th column will have the digit 3, and the ones is 4. So here we have 4.300, which is equal to 4.3 kilograms. Okay, let's do the same with the 29 meters. So we're going to convert from meters to kilometers. And as you can see, we divide that by 1,000. Again, you can use the place value grid to check your answer. And because we're dividing, again, we're going to move our digits to the right. Okay, let's start with the 9. The 9 is now in the 1,000th column. And the 2, which is just before the 9, is now in the 100th column. Now again, there aren't any digits in the 10th, so you must put 0 as a placeholder, and you must do the same in the ones column. So we have 0.029. Chen and Megan each have a parcel. Chen's parcel weighs 1.5 kilograms. Megan's parcel weighs 1.2 kilograms. How many more grams does Chen's parcel weigh than Megan's parcel? Okay, so when I get a question like this, I'm going to convert the kilograms both to grams. Now here, my 1.5 kilograms, I know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so half a kilogram must be 500 grams. So 1.5 kilograms is 1,500 grams. Do the same for the 1.2 kilograms. Convert that to grams. Okay, now I'm just going to represent this in the bar model. So here is Chen's bar. And Chen has more than Megan. So I'm going to show that in my bar. Okay, so Chen has 1,500 grams and Megan, you're going to work that out. And then the more is where the question mark is. How many more grams does Chen have? How will you work that out?